Welcome to the TopPick Lab. The best birthday sash is probably one of the most iconic and celebratory accessories you can choose to make any birthday person feel extra special and stand out on their big day, adding a touch of glamour and fun to their outfit, ensuring they are the center of attention and creating unforgettable memories that will be cherished for years to come, making it a perfect gift or a personal treat to elevate any birthday celebration. Number 5. Zonon Birthday Headbands and Sash Set, Gold. Make your birthday unforgettable with this elegant headband and sash set. Designed to make you feel special on your big day. Crafted from high-quality alloy and satin fabric, these accessories are built to last. They are reusable and non-toxic, perfect for celebrating year after year. Whether it's a sweet 16 or a milestone birthday, this set is ideal. Use them as fun photography props to capture precious memories. The glitter letters on the sash and crown are sure to catch the eye. Everyone will know you're the star of the celebration. Designed for a comfortable and secure fit, this set is suitable for most women and girls. It also makes a wonderful gift for your female friends. This package includes one dazzling headband and one stylish sash. Together, they promise a unique and memorable birthday experience. What we like. This set is made from durable satin fabric, perfect for repeated use. The glitter letters ensure you stand out. If you're looking for a reusable and eye-catching option for multiple birthday celebrations, this is a great choice. What people say. Cute keepsake, lightweight, easy to wear and use, quality is great. This was so cute and dainty. I'm glad I crimped my hair cause it just shined right through. Definitely a super fun accessory, I'm glad it came together. The sash was super big so it kept falling off. You can either tuck it or pin it. But the headband stayed on all night. Didn't hurt behind the ears like regular metal bands do. My birthday pic won't upload, but this headband crown was absolutely perfect for my Miami birthday trip. It's cute, dainty, and adds to your outfit without it screaming "look at me." Looks exactly like the picture, and the satchel is really high quality. As well, I just didn't wear it with my look I had going on. Number 4. Glitter Birthday Crown and Sash Set. Make her birthday unforgettable with this stunning crown and sash set. It's the perfect accessory for a memorable celebration. This set features a beautiful glitter sash and a dazzling rose gold rhinestone tiara. She'll feel like royalty on her special day. The exquisite tiara headband is designed with sparkling rhinestones. It adds a touch of glamour to any birthday outfit. The birthday girl sash is made with high-quality glitter material. It's a stylish and fun way to announce her special status. Looking for a sweet and happy accessory gift? This set is an ideal choice for any birthday celebration. It's sure to be loved. This set includes everything she needs to shine. From the crown to the sash, it's the ultimate birthday accessory collection. What we like. This set features a beautiful rose gold theme with a sparkling rhinestone tiara. It's designed to make the birthday girl feel extra special and glamorous. If you want a chic and dazzling look for a milestone birthday, this is the perfect accessory. What people say. The crown comes with 2 rubber end caps for a more comfortable fit, and the sash comes with an extra large gold safety pin so that you can adjust it to fit any size. The glitter does not come off the sash, and somehow stays put, even after wearing all day. The quality of the sash was very good material. I thought it was going to be a simple paper sash, or even plastic. However, it was a thick sash material. My daughter loved it. The crown was super cute also. It came with these black rubber coverings for the ends of the headband so that the metal doesn't press against the back of the ears. Number 3. Birthday Girl Sash and Headband Set. Make her birthday unforgettable with this elegant sash and dazzling rhinestone headband set. It's the perfect accessory to make her feel like royalty on her special day. Crafted from shimmering gold glitter fabric, the sash is designed to impress and built to last. It will beautifully complement any outfit, from day to night celebrations. This stunning tiara is the ultimate statement piece for any birthday party. Its sparkling design ensures she'll be the center of attention and the most radiant guest. Designed for comfort and a perfect fit, the sash is 67 inches long and easily adjustable to suit any body type. The headband sits comfortably, with clearly visible, eye-catching lettering. Why choose when you can have both? This set offers the best value, providing you with the essential sash and tiara to ensure a spectacular birthday celebration. The chic combination of gold glitter and black accents adds a touch of sophistication to her birthday ensemble. It's a stylish choice for any birthday girl. What we like. This set includes a vibrant glitter gold sash with clear lettering and a comfortable rhinestone headband. The sash is adjustable for a perfect fit on any body type. If you want a stylish and customizable option that ensures you're the center of attention, this is the one. What people say. The sash itself is very thick and well made. The gold lettering looks amazing on the pink glitter. The giant rhinestone safety pin that came with it was also very well made and good quality. It was extremely sparkly and I was able to use it all weekend in Vegas with no issues. The sash is very heavy duty and has a jewel-encrusted pin to fasten it. The color is great. Number 2. Rose Gold Birthday Queen Sash and Tiara Set. Make her birthday unforgettable with this stunning sash and tiara set. It's the perfect way to crown the birthday queen. Adorned with sparkling rhinestones, this tiara adds a touch of glamour. She'll feel like royalty on her special day. This elegant rose gold sash is designed to impress. It's the perfect accessory to complement her birthday outfit. Both the sash and tiara feature a beautiful glitter and sparkle finish. They are designed to catch the light and dazzle. This set is specifically made for the birthday girl, ensuring she stands out. It's a thoughtful gift that celebrates her. Get the complete look for her birthday celebration. This set offers effortless glamour and a memorable experience. What we like. Embrace your inner royalty with this rose gold birthday queen set. It combines a glitter sash with a sparkling tiara for a truly regal look. If you want to feel like a queen on your special day and love the rose gold aesthetic, this set is ideal. What people say. The sash was a perfect size and looked great. It was a beautiful sash and made the birthday girl feel special. Number 1. Birthday Queen Sash and Tiara Kit. Make her birthday unforgettable with this elegant sash and tiara set. It's the perfect accessory to make her feel like royalty on her special day. This stunning kit includes a beautiful sash and a sparkling rhinestone tiara. It's designed to add a touch of glamour to any birthday celebration. Whether it's her 21st or 30th, this set is a fantastic gift idea. It's a wonderful way to commemorate those important milestone birthdays. Featuring chic gold glitter with bold black lettering, this sash is both stylish and eye-catching. The accompanying tiara adds the perfect finishing touch. Elevate your birthday party decorations with this essential accessory. It's a must-have for any birthday girl looking to shine. Looking for the perfect birthday gift for her? This sash and tiara set is a thoughtful present that she'll love and remember. What we like. This kit features a striking gold glitter sash with bold black lettering, declaring you the birthday queen. It's designed for maximum impact and a touch of elegance. If you're celebrating a milestone birthday like a 21st or 30th and want a classic, bold statement, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. They are very well made and sturdy. The crown is excellent quality metal. The sash is glittery vinyl-like material that doesn't shed glitter and came with a sturdy bedazzled pin that is worth the price of the whole kit alone. The crown is very elegant and sturdy. This exceeded my expectations. It can be worn multiple times and has a great shine and glitter finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.